Great news for USA in Cashback World. So in this case, what we have is the eVoucher. If you go on eVoucher, you are going to see all the countries available where the eVouchers can be used. So in this case, the great news is United States of America. What we have here are 30 merchants like Walmart, IHOP, Macy's, Crispy's, eBay, Gap, American Airlines, Domino's Pizza, Best Buy, and the other ones, the Home Depot too, Sears, the Applebee's, Olive Garden, Red Robin, and there are a lot more to come. So in this case, how can you use this great advantage? For example, you are going to go to Walmart, you click on it, you are going to choose what do you want to buy, $50, $100, or $250 in this case. You go next. In the case that you are going to have an available credit, you can use it, or you can use your credit card, accept the terms and conditions. You are going to see the benefits that you are going to receive for this one, and place binding order, as simple as 1, 2, and 3. After that, you are going to see a barcode or a QR code. Going on your vouchers and deals, you will be able to see your eVoucher like this one here. The only thing that you have to do is to show it on the cashier and pay the goods that you are going to buy or the services. So this is it. This is the great news. We have 30 more merchants on eVoucher on USA. Next, it's going to be Canada. So happy shopping. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.